Premium hostel building for sale with 3.85 lakhs rental income per month in Kajaguda, Redrugam, Gachibowli. G+5+ penthouse, 125 square yards plot, built-up area, 1166 SFT per floor, east-facing, as per Vastu norms. 36 bedrooms with attached toilet in each room, common amenities with lift. Kitchen and dining area, fully ventilated. G+2 permission, asking price, 5.4 crore.